Hi, welcome to Offside Studio's Robotics Studio, OffsideAI Robotics Studio. We're here with our Prusa Mark IV, and the Prusa Mark IV is now assembled. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through the self-test and check if everything's looking good. So we power on back here, and we can look at the display down here. That's the print bed, and it's powering on, and it's going to go through the setup process. So it says, I'd like to guide you through the setup process. It says continue, so we press continue. It says self-test will now begin to check for potential assembly related issues. So let's wait for that. Hit continue. So it's running the hot end fan RPM test, and now it should probably test the fan. Probably happening now. So it said print fan tested. It's testing the movement. So now it's saying we will need your help with this test. You'll be asked to tap the nozzle. Don't worry, it is going to be cold. So hit continue and tap the nozzle on the beep. So it says tap the nozzle. It's timing 2 seconds. 1. It has to be timed correctly, so let's try again. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm pretty sure that's the nozzle down there. Try again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it says load cell test passed OK. Now it's asking to wait. Now it's saying that during the test, the heat bed and extruder will move in full range. So there's 3 axes displayed. X-axis, that's the one that's happening now. So that side is X. Now we'll wait for it to complete X-axis. And now it's running the Y-axis test. So that's Y. Now it should do Z-axis. Okay, it's done Z. So now it's preparing the heater check. So now it should start heating up the nozzle. And let's wait for it. So it's at 75 degrees now. It might go up to 290. So let's wait for that, and we can check the filament here. So that's the filament, black filament here. Let's see what's happening with the test. So the heater test is running now. And it's at 232 degrees centigrade. Okay, it says gearbox alignment. The gearbox calibration is only necessary for user-assembled or serviced gearboxes. In all other cases, you can skip this test. Let's do the test. Okay, it says make sure the filament is unloaded from the extruder. So that's the filament. It's not loaded. Let's see if we can skip. So it says filament sensor calibration. We need to start without filament in the extruder. Please make sure there's no filament in the filament sensor. So let's hit continue and hit no filament in the filament sensor. So it's doing the calibration for the filament sensor. Now it's saying insert the filament into the extruder until the sensor detects the filament. So let's do that. Okay, we'll come back in the next part to complete the filament calibration. So see you in the next one.